So what's the flying time you get on this one?
This is their first generation, so you can maybe get 10 minutes out of
10
it.
minutes? That ain't bad. 10 minutes land, throw another battery.
This is a good battery for it.
Where do you buy these?
There's a place down in Santa Clara called Aero Micro that sells those. They also sell these, Thor. A little bit heavier. You know, the DJI battery is just real. Yeah, they're junk. Well, you feel a weight, so the thing is the C rating is what's important. This is a 20C battery, so that means it can discharge 20 times its rated capacity at once. Yeah, this is a 70C, I think. Yeah, so it can do 70 times capacity. Yeah, so that's what you want to get a higher C rating. This one's very expensive. This one's at least 50, 60 bucks. This one is quite inexpensive. It's probably 39, 35 bucks. And these are probably 30 bucks. Oh, are they now? Yeah.
Well, helicopter world.
Let me see the highlight on this one.
Well, probably about similar.
Oh, yeah. This one's...
What's that? Aero Micro. A-E-R-O. I used to, but they're never open, so... They're only open on during the weekdays, so. Don't worry.
What about this one? This is kind of interesting design of moving the rotors by only 2 motors.
Well, so this is it's got one motor.
One motor even.
One motor, belt drive. So it's got belt drive here.
That's nice.
This one is made for aerobatics and pylon racing. So it's full 3D. So and there's no stabilization on this one. So it flies just like my other helis. So these are variable pitch. They go both directions. So
there is a way to rotate them while flying like this direction on the pitch.
Yeah. So you can change the pitch both directions. Yeah.
What kind? This is a custom built or?
No, this is called a Curtis Youngblood Stingray, and it's made for pylon racing and for 3D quad. So it does just like we were doing flying these, you can do the same thing with these. It's just harder to orient yourself because there's no tail, so it's a little bit harder to fly, but you can do all kinds of 3D aerobatics and neat stuff.
Let me ask you a simple question. What is the easiest drone to fly?
Oh, drone?
Yeah, I mean this kind of copter, you know?
Well, like this is very easy to fly.
Very easy.
DJI Phantom, yeah, it's very easy. And this is nice because you can flip it to where if you don't know how to fly a helicopter, no matter what orientation, left is left, right is right. Or you can flip a switch and then it flies like a real helicopter where if you turn it around, you've got to mentally invert your controls. So you can practice. You could play with this, fly it like a helicopter, and then move on to something that's a little bit safer, smaller, you know, a regular helicopter. But these are so dangerous, you don't want to step up to something like this until you really know full orientation. You can hover, you can fly, you know, forward flight.
But these will take your head straight off real quick, instantly. Yeah. You make one mistake and your head is gone. This is carbon fiber blade and it's spinning at thousands of revolutions per second. And one mistake and it's all over for you. As soon as this kid out of this thing out there got the top of his head right off.